Use a combination of proper substrate preparation, correct mortar technique, and a reliable tile leveling system to keep large kitchen floor tiles from shifting during installation. Start by confirming the subfloor is flat within 1/8 of an inch over 10 feet and repair any deflection or high spots using a suitable patching compound or cement backer board. Choose a large format mortar rated for big tiles and mix to a trowelable, non-sag consistency, then apply back butter to each tile so both the floor and tile have full coverage. This reduces hollow spots and movement. Lay out tiles in a dry run to set an alignment baseline and mark reference lines on the floor so you can quickly verify that each tile tracks to the layout as you work. Use quality tile spacers and a mechanical or screw-style leveling system with wedges on every intersecting joint for tiles larger than 12 inches on a side to force edges into a single plane and prevent lippage. When setting tiles near walls or cabinets, insert small, removable shims between the last tile and the wall to hold position, and set the tile final position before compressing the leveling wedge fully. Maintain consistent joint width, clean excess mortar from joints as you go, and avoid walking on tiles until the manufacturer stated cure time for the thinset has passed. A common mistake is using the wrong mortar or mixing it too wet, which allows tiles to settle and shift. So always use a mortar specified for large format tile and follow the water to powder ratio on the bag. Another issue is skipping back butter. Tiles not fully bedded develop voids and move, so apply a thin coat to the tile back and comb full bed coverage on the floor. Lastly, people rely only on spacers and then walk away too soon, which lets gravity and traffic cause misalignment. Use a leveling system, temporary shims at edges, and do a final alignment sweep before the thinset skins over. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a place for project planning and troubleshooting that directly applies to tile installations. We host a discussion community where both homeowners and contractors share tips, ask questions, and post photos so you can learn how others handled similar large tile stabilization challenges.